Hello, this is Chris Menard. Welcome to my free training course on using tables in Microsoft Excel. Make sure on the worksheet, start here. Click one time anywhere inside the range. Before you convert a range to a table, you need to make sure you don't have any blank columns and blank rows. So here's an easy test. Ctrl A on the keyboard will select only the range you're currently working in, and then Control and the period key will move you around the four corners. So I'm holding down the Control key and just pressing the period, and I can see that this range is correct. One little note I want to make is if you have a lot of data, which you probably do, when you do Control period and you're on the last row, you may need to scroll down a little bit to make sure there's no more rows below. So this is perfect to convert to a table. Let's go ahead and do it. Insert, Tab, Table. It should pick up your entire range, and it says your table has a header row. Click on OK, and there's a table. Let me show you what happens with my keyboard trick when something's not correct. Click on the incorrect worksheet at the bottom. Click anywhere in column A that has a customer number. Do Control A, and you'll see that we only picked up column A through E. So if we were to sort this or to convert it to a table, G, H, and I would not get sorted. So let's fix this. Click one time anywhere. Using the mouse, select column E over to G. Give me a right click, unhide. So there was a hidden column in there which made it two ranges. Right click column F and delete it. Click anywhere in column E on any city. Control A, Control period a few times. Looks good. Let's go ahead and convert this to a table. Insert Table. Click OK. One thing that's nice about tables is the minute you make something arrange a table, Table Tools Design appears. If you don't like the look of your table, right here is Table Styles. Click the arrow for more if you need to. It's up to you which one you want to pick. Live Preview does work. I'm going to pick this one right here. Feel free to pick whichever one you want. Now, also, if you notice, when you converted from a range to a table, we now have the filter arrows running. I only want to see people in Georgia. Hit the drop down for state. Take the check mark out of Select All. Click OK. And we have two people. Hit the arrow again for the filter. Clear the filter. If you want to sort, let's do city. E1, click, and do sort A to Z. So there are your cities sorted. So you immediately have filtering and sorting when you have a table.